How to install apps on M4 Mac Mini. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn how we can install applications on M4 Mac Mini. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Installing apps on M4 Mac Mini is a fairly simple task to do so. Now what you can do in this case is, first of all, you can download apps from App Store. So from the bottom of the menu, look for App Store, or you can also open up Launchpad and type in App Store and open it manually. And just like how you download applications on your iPhone, similarly you download on your Mac as well. So simply go ahead and search for a certain app that you wish to download. Once you've done that, you can just hit the Get button that you can see over there, and you can hit the Install button. It might prompt you to enter your Apple ID password or maybe the password for your certain device right here. Once you've done that and then you hit the sign in button, you'll have successfully installed the app on iPhone. This way you'll be able to install apps on M4 Mac Mini. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.